Hello, my name is Dr. Kuldeep Singh, and I'm here to give a short presentation on smart liposuction. Surgical means of removing the fat. Lipo stands for fat, which is broken down either by metal cannulas or by an ultrasound machine or using a laser. Traditionally, liposuction is done under general anesthesia, cause excessive blood loss, which prevents us from doing effective liposuction. Recovery usually is in weeks rather than days. What is Smart Lipo? Smart Lipo is 21st century solution to remove stubborn fat pockets in body contouring. It can be done on any part of the body with quick recovery and an amazing results. So what is smart about Smart Lipo? The machine is built so that the temperature doesn't rise and the skin damage or chances of skin burn is minimal. It also rejuvenates the skin and tightens the skin. No other procedure can do that. The catheters or the laser cables used are so small that the scars are almost invisible and recovery is very quick. Since the damage to the normal tissues is minimal, the Smart Lipo allows us to do more effective and thorough destruction of fat cells without causing excessive bleeding. It has almost no potential serious side effects such as infections or scarring, and can be done in the office for the same reasons. These are the areas which can be targeted with Smart Lipo. There is a laser cable which comes and a cannula with the tip protruding, which fires a laser under the skin. The design of the device is such that it prevents injury to the normal tissues. The way it is done is by injecting local anesthetic under the skin where the fat deposits are. Small incisions are made and the skin is infiltrated with local anesthetic. It is called tumescent fluid as it fills up the soft tissue to the point of firmness. And then a very small laser cannula is inserted, and using a tip which can have an effective large cone of destruction of fat cells is then passed in multiple times in various directions to cause damage to the fat cells and liquefaction, or making the fat cells liquid. So that can now be aspirated through a cannula. The fat that is removed is above the muscle and the strong layers of the muscle. Over the period of 3 to 6 months, straightening of the curves is achievable. What is the recovery time after Smart Lipo? Typically, a patient would be able to go to work in 1 to 3 days' time. There is no need for narcotics most of the time, and one can take Motrin and Aleve to control the pain. The incisions after Smart Lipo is 3 to 4 millimeters in diameter, and there are few incisions that you need compared to a penny, as this is very small incisions. They do take time to come back to normal skin color. However, the recovery is very fast and it's almost impossible to see these incisions after somebody is healed from 3 to 6 months time. Procedure is done in the office setting. Local anesthetic is used. All the side effects, nausea, and risk of general anesthesia are avoided. I mentioned tumescent fluid. This is the fluid which is inserted into the skin. It numbs up the skin and helps in better removal of fat cells. How much fat can typically be removed through laser liposuction? The limitation of any liposuction is about 1 to 2 inches of thickness of the fat cells. The deeper fat, which is below the strong layer of muscle, cannot be removed. The results after liposuction are durable. If a person doesn't gain the weight, the results will be seen for a long time. Smartlipo permanently destroys the fat stem cells, and if the weight is gained, the fat cells usually come in other parts of the body. Who is a good candidate? Any adult can have a Smartlipo. They should not be pregnant. They should have reasonable expectations and free from serious medical conditions which either prevent healing or offering a safe procedure in the office. What is the cost of Smartlipo? Typically, this is given per area. 2 arms is one area, upper abdomen is one area, love handles on each side is one area, fat under the chin is one area, and depending on the person, the distribution of fat, and how much time it will take, the cost may come from $2,000 to $3,500 per treatment area. If it is possible, doctor would like to offer more than one area treatment, so the cost savings from reusable, from equipment and the device can be decreased, and these cost savings are usually passed on to the clients. Financing is available. We have teamed up with Lending USA, and the terms and conditions have to be seen in detail on their website. However, typically a 6 months payment or 1 year payment usually carries no charge or very minimal charge. If somebody, for example, spends $3,500 1 year, payment would look like 12 easy payments of about $300 per month. What can Smartlipo treat? It can treat almost any area. The jowls, the fat under the skin, sagging necks, sagging arms, breast, back, stubborn, love handles, pouch, which remains after pregnancy and weight loss, upper abdomen, lower abdomen, buttocks, thighs, all the areas can be very effectively and safely treated with Smartlipo. If you have any questions, you'd like to call and make an appointment. The appointments and consultations are free and there is no obligation. We'll strongly encourage people who are interested to come and explore this exciting treatment. Thank you for your attention.